Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Lockette and preparing permissions. This ensures the plugin can manage access. Once the jar is in plugins and the server is restarted, give yourself the necessary permission nodes so commands work. Next, place the container you want to protect, attach a sign, and enter the protection tag. This immediately claims the container for you. Make sure to test with a non-op account so you confirm restrictions apply. That prevents surprises later on. Once locked, you proceed to grant access and tune settings. This controls who can open or break containers and how the plugin behaves. You can add users directly on the sign or run the add/remove commands for bulk changes. Then edit config. IML to change message verbosity, logging, and compatibility features so the server won't spam chat. Finally, map permissions to groups so trusted roles open items, but guests cannot. You finish by testing protections and creating backups to avoid data loss. Thorough checks save time. Switch to a test account and confirm that open, place, and break behaviors match intended permissions, then backup config. IML and the world with a timestamp so you can restore if needed. If something breaks, don't immediately reinstall. Instead, reload the plugin, inspect server logs for permission denials or startup errors, and ensure no other plugin conflicts. This single debug step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.